Alright everyone, today I'm bringing you another screen pattern password unlock, and this time it's for your Samsung M23, for those of you who've forgotten the password and can't remember it anymore. Remove your SIM card and your memory card, because this procedure will erase everything stored in the phone's memory, okay? In some cases you'll need to connect a USB cable, but you don't need to download any software. It's just so it can enter recovery mode, where you'll go and select the unlock option that I'm about to show you. So try it both with and without the cable, and whichever way works for you, leave a comment below to help other people out as well. If you need to unlock your email or your Google account, in a little bit I'll talk about how you can unlock that as well. You can leave the phone on this emergency screen or on the screen where it's asking for the PIN or password. I prefer to leave it here on the emergency screen. You're going to press the volume down and power buttons at the same time. When it restarts, let go of only the volume down and press volume up. When the Samsung name appears on the screen, you can release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you now to make it easier for you. Volume down and power. Our first attempt is without the cable, as you can see. Keep holding until the phone restarts. Let's wait. Release volume down and press volume up because it has already restarted. Now pay attention to the screen. Release the power button and keep holding the volume up button up here until it enters recovery mode, just as I told you. This is recovery mode, and remember this procedure will also work for other Samsung models. Now scroll down to the option where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Scroll down again and confirm one more time. We'll wait for this information to complete so we can continue. Confirm one last time and now your phone is being unlocked, okay? It will restart without any screen pattern password. Like we said at the beginning of the video, if you need to unlock your email or your Google account on this device or any other model, we can also perform this unlock remotely. No matter where you are, you can get in touch and speak directly with me to ask your questions, clear up any doubts, and get a quote for your unlock or for any other service you might want to know about, like a repair, a screen replacement, or any other price. Alright? If this video helped you and if you're able to, within your means, please consider making a contribution to our channel. Our donation info will be in the video description. The amount doesn't matter. What's important is your help, your support, and your gratitude. I hope this has helped you all. That's it for today's video. Thanks everyone. Take care and see you next time.